Hello guys and welcome to my channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how we all are going to be making money from this website. Okay, now this app is very straightforward. It's just like Coinvid. If you've traded on Coinvid before, it will be very easy for you to navigate. But don't worry, even if you've not traded on Coinvid before, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you'll be able to navigate this app and also how you'll be able to make money from this app. Okay, now I'm going to be dropping the link to this app in the description of this video. So all you just need to do is to click on that link. When you click on that link is going to bring you to this interface where you just have to put in your username, put in your phone number, put in your password and all that, and you'll be able to sign up. Okay. Now, after you sign up, then you will have an interface like this. It's very easy to sign up actually. Okay. Now, what we're going to be doing here is for us to play a game and be able to make money through this game. Okay, so you can see the interface here. You can see where the root game here. Okay, so I'm going to click on this button that says game here. Now, when I come down, I'm going to be using this particular red and green game here, okay, which is a 1 minute game. Then we're just going to click on it. Okay, now when you click on it, you can see it's going to be bringing up different kind of balls here, green and red balls here. Okay, so all you just need to do is for you to predict which color of ball is going to be coming up here. If you get it right, then automatically you're going to be making money here. Okay, so it all depends on how much you're going to be depositing into this project. Okay, so all I'll do advise people is this: always make sure that you play with the amount of money that you know is comfortable for you, so that you make profit, but peradventure you lose, you'll still be comfortable with that. Okay, so first and foremost, before you get started, as you can rightly see, I have some funds. I've actually been playing some games here. I had about 260 here. I've been playing some games and I've made some profit here. So let me quickly show you how to deposit for you to be able to have your own fund here. So you just need to go back here. Then you're going to see this button that says deposit here. Okay, so you need USDT TRC20 for you to be able to deposit your fund into this project. Okay, so when you deposit, it's going to bring you to this interface. Okay, then you're just going to click on it. Like I rightly said, it's USDT TRC20 that they actually use here. Okay, so it's going to give you, you can see this wallet address here. It's either you copy this wallet address here or you scan this QR code here. Okay, whichever one you want to do, you just do that and go to your exchange. Okay, are you going to send the amount of USDT TRC20 that you want to use to fund your account? Okay, now when you send that fund, the fund is going to appear in your account here. Okay, it's going to appear in your account balance here. You're going to see it in your account balance. Okay, uh here, down here, just like mine is here like this. Okay, so after you must have done that, that is when you now come to where it says game here. Are you going to click on this button? Okay, so I'm going to play some of those few games to show you exactly how it works. I'm going to click on game here now. Okay, so here you have two options. Okay, is it that you take signal from their Telegram group? Okay, let me show you their Telegram group. So is it that you take signal from the Telegram group, or you decide you just want to take your own. So this is the Telegram group. Okay, so you can see they have over 3,000 persons here and they do drop signals here. Okay, is it that you want the link to this Telegram group? Also, you're going to get it in the description. So is it that you join this Telegram group? Okay, or you, let me show you how you'll be able to predict the color by yourself and you can trade. Okay, so if I click on this button up here, right, if I click on this button here, you can see it's going to show me different balls. Okay, red and green balls. So you can see it's going to show me different balls here. You can see different green and red balls here. Okay, so the way I do it is that I actually look at the ones that is trending most. If you check it, the green balls are actually coming up more, right, than the red. You agree with me that the green balls are actually coming out. But in your own case, you will check as at the time you're going to be playing, check for the one that is coming out most. Okay, so then you're going to follow it. Okay, so in my own case now, I'm going to be using the green balls. Okay, then all you just need to do is to come up here, look at the timers here. Okay, as soon as this thing counts to 0, then it means that you are ready to take a game. Okay, so here now you can see This is the last game that was played, which is 8-1. Okay. So here now, this is the next game. This is the present game that is on 8-2. So I'm going to predict. Let me see. I'm going to predict green. Okay. Now, you can decide to put any amount of money that you want to trade with, but make sure that if you put in, let's say, $10 or $20, make sure that the risk you are taking is very minimal, so that if peradventure your first trade doesn't go well, you'll be able to continue with the second trade, okay, and continue subsequently like that until you make profit, okay. So for this particular one now, you can see, let's see the border is going to come out, okay, okay, let's see, you can see green actually came out, okay. I told you the green was actually trending. I can see the green came out. And let's go to their telegram and see what they actually predicted. Okay, you can see they actually predicted, I guess they predicted red here. So they failed in their telegram group here, but you can see if you are taking that directly here, you would have actually made something here, okay. So now this next one that is going to be coming out, let's say we're still going to predict, if I want to predict green, okay, let me just put green. Let me just start with $3, okay. Then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click on green here, okay. Then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click on confirm, meaning that I'm staking $3, okay. All right, I'm staking $3 here, right? So but you don't necessarily need to stake $3, okay. If you have just minimum amount of money, because you can see my money is big, is a bit higher, that's why I'm staking the amount of money. If yours is not as high as mine, okay, you can say I just made money now, right? You can say I just made money. I predicted green and the thing came out green. You can see my balance here was actually 299 before. You can see it's 302 now, okay. So you can say I just made money, right? If you can go through the process of predicting here, always go to their WhatsApp, like I rightly told you here, and you'll be able to get signal balls here, okay, to determine which one you are to take, okay. You can see most of their stuff here, they've been winning. You can see they also actually okay, you can see this particular one, they actually won also. They won also here. So this is the, you can see they won. This is the one here. They won. And this is the next one also. They are still saying you should buy green. Okay. So you can just keep going like that. If peradventure you lose, let's assume you lose, then you're going to double whatever you actually did before, right? So you can see this one now. They say you should take green and X1, right? They say you should take green and X1, okay. So you just follow the instructions that they give you here. Now you can see this one, they actually lost this first one here. That's why they triple the amount, which is X3 here. It's very, very simple to follow through, okay. Now the next thing is this. You might want to ask me, after you must have made money, what's the next thing to do? If you've made money, then definitely you can be able to withdraw your fund, okay. So all you just need to do here is to come up here, click on this withdraw button here. If you want to withdraw your fund, provided you have $10, you'll be able to withdraw your fund, okay. Make sure you bind your wallet address here, okay. If you check here, you can see I've binded my own wallet address here already, okay. So if you want to withdraw, you just come down here, put in the amount that you want to withdraw, okay. You put in the amount you want to withdraw here. Let me just put in $10 here, okay. Then here I'm going to put in my password, my withdrawal password, okay. After putting my withdrawal password, then I'm just going to click on withdraw here. Okay, so here I'm going to choose my withdrawal wallet address. Okay, make sure you bind yours. I've binded mine already, so I'm going to put in my withdrawal wallet address here. Here I'm going to put in 10 here, right? Okay, so here I'm going to withdraw. Let's say I just withdraw just only $10. Okay, then here I'm going to put in my password, my withdrawal password. Okay, so after putting my withdrawal password, then I'm going to click on withdraw button here. Okay, so you can see withdraw successful, right? You can see my balance has actually decreased by $10. Okay, so that's how simple and easy it is for you to actually play this game and make profit. Okay, and when you make profit, you're going to withdraw your profit. Okay, and if you want to make extra income, you can also decide to invite people, right? Invite your friends, your relatives, your loved ones, your business associates to this project, and you'll be able to earn extra income. Just click on this invitation link here. Okay, when you click on this invitation link, it will be able to give you your invitation code. Okay, when you get your invitation code, then you just copy it, go to Facebook, Instagram, anywhere you can find your people, and you invite them. Okay, you can see you just invite them here, right? Just copy your link and invite them here. So that's how simple and easy it is to play this game. But having said that, I'm not actually your financial advisor. You can also go ahead and do your own due diligence before investing your fund into any project. Okay, so guys, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you've not done that. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do take care of yourself, and bye bye for now.